Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchekar Hauls and Reviews. Now today I am back with the haul. Yes, now lot of you people will be excited, but few of them will be like, Meghna is doing just hauls and hauls and hauls. How she can spend so much money, and they will come here with love. They will give me dislike and they will disappear. There is no need to give me dislike, because whatever this is basically not a makeup, not a skincare haul. This is basically little bit of clothing and little bit of basically more of tech related accessories. So if you are a person who likes this kind of video, then you can keep on continuing watching, or else you can skip the video. I have lot of other videos related to makeup, skincare hauls. You can go ahead and you can watch that video. And if at all you feel I'm spending lot of money, then no, because I was in need of all these accessories. Because you all know, I have a son who is like having his online school, so for that I needed some things to help him for his studies, and that is why I got all these things. Right now, this is one disclaimer. Secondly, I'll just tell you the lipstick details, because I always forget. It is from this Essence Color Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Magnetic Gloom 09. This is the lipstick. I'll just show you if at all you all are interested. This is the lipstick. It is easily available on Flipkart. If you see, because Essence is easily available on Flipkart. Basically, this is a gift from one of my friend. She went out abroad and she got this thing for me. So this is the second thing. Now let's begin with the video. And if you are new over here and you like what you see, that is if you like hauls, like reviews and all, then definitely you are at the right place. Please do consider subscribing my channel. Also, I'll give you my Instagram handle also over here. If you are interested, you can follow me over there also. We can be friends over there. Yeah, now let's begin. Firstly, I'll show you two mobile covers. Of course, this is not related to something, but then I wanted to show you. This is fun cover. It is like dad and mom, and over here they have given you some kind of heartbeats or something. You all can see. I'm not sure. I think I got this cover from Flipkart. I'm not sure. Both the mobile covers, the other mobile is also there. I think both the covers I got from Flipkart only. If you want, you can ask me, and if possible, I'll give you all the links in the comment section. It will be pinned, so you can go and check over there. So this is the first cover. This is actually the second mobile of my husband. Now this is the main mobile, his main mobile. Basically he was having covers and everything, but then due to this lockdown and due to heavy usage and all, his cover got spoiled. So this is the second cover. This is the second cover, you all can see. So this is his second cover. All the covers are back cover only. He doesn't like any flap cover or anything. So definitely these are the covers, right? So covers done. Now I'll show you one. I'm just bending down because I have kept something over here. I'm not supposed to show you the laptop because this is also a new purchase. Then lot of people will think I'm spending a lot. So that is why I'm not showing you laptop. This is also a new laptop. Basically it is for my son for his online classes and all. This is basically a laptop sleeve. This is the sleeve. It is black and red color. You can see. This is like from here you can insert, and basically this is a reversible clip. So if I want to if I want to reverse it, I can reverse it also. So the black thing will go inside and the red thing will come outside, but I want black color because I like black color, so I have kept this way. It is black and red, and inside it is totally red. So this is the laptop sleeve. So the next thing down, since I cannot keep everything on my desk, I have kept a few of the things here down. That is why. Now the third thing is this is basically a cord for mobile charging. I am not sure it is for mobile charging only. I'll just check, because this is not new purchase. This is, I think, 15-20 days already passed. Yeah, this is basically a cord, 3-in-1 cord. So like you can just have one USB port, and from this you can charge 3 different kind of mobiles. One is the C port, one is iPhone, and one is the normal our Android phones. So there are total 3 ports. You can see 3 different kind of ports, right? and it's connected with one USB port. So this is, if you want, definitely I'll try to link everything in the description, as I told you, not in the description, I'm always forgetting, I always keep on forgetting, it will be pinned in the comment section. So this is basically a cord, right? Now this is a earphone. It is basically for me, because whenever I do some research or whenever I do my, you can say, study related to YouTube, related to videos, related to whatever, I always keep earphone in my like ears, and then I do, because I don't want to disturb my other family members. So that is why it is from both. I think I got it from Amazon. Yeah, this I got from Amazon. It is from both, and not a single thing is sponsored. I have got everything. I don't think I have to tell you. This is, I have not yet started using it. So this is the headphone. Okay, it is normal one because I have other headphones, but I never wanted to use it, and this is for my Android phone. So that is when it comes with one mesh pouch, also with two what you call, earbuds or something. Yeah, 2 pair of earbuds. It comes along with it only, and this is a mesh pouch. So if you want to carry this while traveling, and I think this is having 1 year warranty. Yeah, it's written over here, 1 year warranty, and I got this for around 400 or something, and this is like just for household use and all. It's not much funky and all, because I don't like funky accessories. I'm very simple, I like simple color. That is why I got in black, and I think this is available in many different colors, so you can definitely go ahead and check. I'll give you the link of black, I guess, whatever. This is a Petron Volta Evo 12 watt duo USB smart charger. Basically, as I told you, because we have lot of gadgets and all, and we need to keep on charging the things. So over here you have 2 different USB ports. You can see adapter. This is basically adapter. This is 12 watt adapter, and I got again for all these classes and all, since we have everything from home. So it is very difficult, and sometimes like charging goes off, and then there are a lot of issues. So I got this thing, adapter, 2-way adapter. Yeah, dual adapter, right? The next thing is for my son. This is actually Petron Pride Lite, a hi-fi stereo wired headset. This is basically a normal headset, but this is having a voice control. So like whenever you are doing some thing, and if the voice is coming too high, then definitely this is having some voice control. Even he has not yet opened, because I wanted to show you everything, and then I wanted to like give him. This also comes with 1 pair of earbud. You all can see extra earbud. This is okay, and this is actually the earphone. From here you can adjust the volume and everything from here. You can see, right? And from like, this is a normal, that is why, since this is for my son, he got in a funky color, blue color, and he knows mama will not use this, so that is why he got blue color purposely. He is that way only. So this is the next thing. I'll keep it inside later on, and that is why I kept Amazon bags, just to show what I think from what I got from Amazon and all. So this, all the gadgets are done. Now I'll show you 3 t-shirts. Basically now you all will say, okay, Meghna, you could have shown us the trial of the t-shirt. Definitely I would have like shown you. I like to show you, but then these t-shirts are basically not for me. It is like for someone else. I am going to give it to someone else. It is not for me. So that is why I cannot try on the t-shirt, but I can just show you. And all these t-shirts I got it from Amazon. These 2 t-shirts are from one brand, I guess Yes No or something, from one brand, and this is from Fabricon brand. So these are the total 3 t-shirts. I'll show you, and that is why I will not do the try on. If the garment or the clothing item is for me, I will definitely show you the try on. Okay. Now you all can see. This is the t-shirt. It is total white color t-shirt with yellow and black combination. It's not, it's basically yellow. It is something kind of saffron yellow or something. And over here they have given you a piping plates. You can see colored plate. Over here also same. It is a half sleeve t-shirt, and it's a raglan sleeve. So there is no cut for the sleeve. It is directly the sleeve attached. So there is no cutout or anything. So, and this is in the size small. You all can see Fabricon. It is in the size small, I'll show you the tag also. It is telling me the cost is 1199. Of course this is not the cost, but this is what the tag is given. So this is the, if I am not proper in showing you the t-shirt, then I'm so sorry, because I'm not excellent in showing the garments, but then definitely I can brief you, and I don't have judgment also how the garment will look, but then definitely I'm trying my level best. So this is the first t-shirt. I'll just keep it aside, otherwise everything will be messed up. Now this is the second t-shirt. Okay, it is kind of a hoodie t-shirt. It is a black and grey hoodie t-shirt. You all can see this is the, sorry, this is the hoodie sleeve. This is the hoodie, sorry, not sleeve, this is the hoodie. It comes with what you call the lace. Yeah, this is in the size small. You all can see size small. Okay, it is the full sleeve. Of course hoodies are full sleeves, and on top it is total black, and on the bottom half it is grey color. You all can see this is the grey color, right? And same with this also, and it comes with hood. So this is, and this is the, all the t-shirts are pure cotton material, no other different material, pure cotton, and they have 30-day return and exchange policy also, so no need to worry on that. So this is the second t-shirt. Now I'll show you the third t-shirt, and this is the last item of this haul. This is the third t-shirt. It is basically, you all can see, it is a red color t-shirt. Again it is in the size small. It is written yes no rebound small. This is actually the brand. The hooded one is also from the same brand, yes no. You all can see, right? It is in the small size. It is a half sleeve, but again it's a megia sleeve, so it will not exactly be a half sleeve, it will be shorter than half sleeve. This is a megia sleeve, right? And the speciality of this t-shirt is it is having a knot, that is, they have given you this kind of stripes that will come on your waist. You just have to tie according to your waist. So this is on, they have given you strips on both the sides, that is stripes on the both the sides. You can say one side, and this is also the back side. Back side is totally same way. It is also the same way strapped. Okay, it is written over here Fila. Of course it is not from Fila. I know for sure it is not from Fila, but I don't know why they have given you this. I'm not sure, but this is not from Fila. So this is the third t-shirt, and it is plain red color, right? So this is the last item of this haul. I guess, one second, let me check. I have shown you everything. Yeah, I guess this is all for today's video. I have shown you basically each and everything. The buying link, again I'm telling you, the buying links will be given in the comment section. It will be pinned in the comment section, so definitely go ahead and check that. And if at all you have anything to ask about any particular thing, whatever I have shown you today in this video, you can ask me. Or else if you have any other video suggestions or video request which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave it in the comment section, or else you can DM me also. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And once again I'm telling you, if at all you are feeling I'm spending lot of money and all, no, I'm not spending, because this all t-shirts are not for me, it is for someone else. This all things are basically needed at my place, and we wanted to have it because my son is having his school online, and we are facing lot of problems, and that is why I got the mobile covers and everything, because we could not go out and buy the things, because as you all know, till today, and it is, the lockdown is extended till 15th June. So of course we are supporting the lockdown, and we are not going out anywhere, and that is why I have to order each and everything online. And thank God Amazon is like providing me the all these deliveries, whatever is tech supported, like whatever I require, they are giving me the delivery now. So I'm very helpful, and I'm very grateful to all these companies, so that I can do the work from home also, and it is like little bit easy for me. Yeah, that is all for today's video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.